So I'm Diana.
And I'm Brad.
And It's About Time Now.
And today is mail call. So we got mail.
Yep. So let's get started. I really like doing these shout outs.
We're also testing new camera equipment today. So we're hoping that this first go round works like it's supposed to. So here we go.
Yep. And this first one is from JC Journey. And they are out in one of our favorite states, Washington.
Oh, nice.
And they do a lot of videos about their bird watching.
Not all who wander are lost.
That's excellent. Oh, and I have something fun to show everyone at the end of this. We have so many stickers that we needed to get a new place to put them. So I'll show you that. All right. Ooh, RV on the wayside.
Oh, cool. Shiny.
So RV on the wayside, Donovan and Jody had a little boo-boo with their rig and were stuck at a hotel for weeks upon weeks, but thankfully they're back on the road again.
Oh, cute.
Oh, thank you.
RV Sticker Club.
Oh, that's great. All right. Now this one, this is from an Instagram channel. We also have an Instagram channel. Let's open it up. It's PNW Adventurer.
It says, thanks for the sticker swap. Safe travels on all your adventures.
Oh, I don't know if it showed up. Maybe it showed up kind of blurry. I don't know. But I love it. It's the state of Washington. Thank you.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That'll be a great sticker. As I said, one of our favorite states. All right, and the last one. Let's open that up. No fixed address. Great sticker.
It says, thanks for the sticker swap. Safe travels. Maybe our paths will cross someday.
Yep, no fixed address. Has beautiful scenery up in Ontario. So they have a really good channel. It's beautiful up there. So thank you everybody for sending these, and
go get your
gonna show you all how we're gonna display these stickers.
Go get them. So we're just back from our first adventure since COVID started, and we're currently working on starting our new one.
So I got these placemats. I'm not quite ready yet. I have to take off the sticker that's on it so I can put it where it goes. All right, so we use placemats. I found these double-sided ones actually at Camping World. Don't judge me. We had already had placemats up that I got at Walmart, but we filled this one up. So then we needed some more. So we can add the ones that we just got to the rest of them. If you don't see your sticker there, let us know. We'd love to trade stickers with you. What do you think about that, Brad? Right there? Maybe right there. That's a nice shiny one.
Okay, well, thank you guys for bearing with us with our new camera equipment. Obviously, we've still got some learning to do with that as far as focusing goes, but I think we're going to be switching to that. It's got a much better audio and a much better picture than our iPhones do, and it was time.
Yep.
But anyway, the stickers are up. Keep them coming, and we'll be out on the road soon, and hopefully get to meet some of you guys. Take care.
Take care. See you next time.